Papa here. We're gonna make some pineapple pork kebabs. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna make a little onion, red bell pepper spacers. So these are spacers. Hey, let's do something too. Let's just hit all of it with some sweet money. This is a great shish kebab tool. Let's start with a little pepper, onion, pork, pineapple. See how easy this is? All right, I'm using Island teriyaki. I really like this stuff. And it goes great with the pork, it goes great with the sweet money, and we'll put it in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes to marinate. Okay, let's put those pineapple pork kebabs on. And I can feed it around the edge. The kebabs have been on for about 14 minutes. So I'm gonna pull them, I'm gonna put them in a half pan. We're gonna get these coals red hot, then we're gonna sear these. And here we go. Listen to that. I can watch this. This is the fun part. It should get really seared nicely. I'm gonna go to 140 and let it rest to 145. You know, that's better than a string of pearls. Now you can serve this over a bed of rice. You can just eat it like it is. There you have it. Smithfield teriyaki pineapple sweet onion center cut pork loin kebab.